So the 100 points method is a prioritization method. It's used in grouped environments. It's every person in the in the group who is going to vote is considered a voter. Each of them are given 100 points, and they get to distribute it. They get to distribute the 100 points across the subject items. Then the votes are totaled and laid out according to the order from highest to lowest so that it can showcase the priorities. I'm going to show you an example. Can we just go to the next page first? Can we go to the next page first? Can we go to the next again? Okay. Yeah. So for example, the top of the page shows the 4 items, and then so item 1 is the mouse with wire. Item 2 is a wireless mouse. Item 3 is a computer monitor, and item 4 is a laptop. So each row will show each team member who's voting, how they distributed the how they distribute the points. Okay, and then the last row shows the total. So for the first person, they said that the mouse with wire is 25. And then the wireless mouse is 25, and then the computer monitor is worth 25, and the 10, and the laptop is worth 40. The second person said that the first item is 50, then 40, then 5, then 5. So they put less points for the last 2 items, which they don't think that's that important, but they think that the mouse with wire is the most important. And then row 3 shows the same, and then row 4 shows the same. And then what we do is in the end, we total all the we add all the points together so that I can come up with a total number. So in this case, the mouse with wire is the most important item, and then afterwards it's the laptop, and then afterwards it's the wireless mouse, and then it's the computer monitor. So if we go back 1 slide, so each person who votes is a person who understands the subject and has a level of knowledge, has an understanding in this topic, whatever they're discussing and they're prioritizing. No, not yet. So when is this helpful? This is helpful when there's time constraints or budget constraints. And usually companies, they assign, for example, like if they want to buy a product for a project, they might go for like the lowest cost, whereas this shows that importance is more important than lowest cost in a project. I'm done. Is there any question?
Cool, guys. So those are just methodologies of making a decision at the end of the day, because at the previous class we have decided that we need to empower our team members to involve them in all of the decision, not all of the decision, all possible decisions that they can be participating.